Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Data-Only Delivery Method informational video. My name is Nico, and today we will be discussing how to transmit data without power over Ethernet using our long-range adapters. Now for starters, why would this be necessary? We might want a data-only transmission if the endpoint cannot accept power over Ethernet. To avoid damaging the endpoint, we would instead only connect the data pairs and leave the power over Ethernet pairs unconnected on the Ethernet patch cable. This would allow us to still send data without having power over Ethernet on the line. This would be done on the patch cable connecting to the remote adapter to the end device to ensure that the head end and remote end adapters are still powered. As you may know, most of our devices are able to run A and B power delivery options. This allows us to send data and PoE over different pairs of wiring. This is traditionally done with 4 pairs of wiring, but can be reduced to 2 pairs, one for PoE and one for data, or no PoE at all by using the pairs that carry data. Cat5 and Cat6 cabling use 8 wires, divided into 4 pairs. Most of our adapters transmit data or power over Ethernet over 1 pair. Therefore, if we connect only the pairs of wire that carry data, we will only transmit data without PoE. We follow the T-568B cable pinout method, which terminates cabling into an RJ45 connector with white-orange as wire 1, orange as wire 2, white-green as wire 3, blue as wire 4, white-blue as wire 5, green as wire 6, white-brown as wire 7, and brown as wire 8. Establishing a data-only connection is as simple as terminating the pins of the cable connecting the remote adapter to the endpoint in such a way that only the data pairs of the cable connect to the endpoint. This can be done by terminating the cable where only wire 2 and wire 1 remain intact. It should be stated that a data-only connection can only be provided on adapters that provide PoE passively, and not on adapters that have any form of PoE negotiation. The EC-Link, PhyLink adapter, and Flex 4 can provide data-only connections because they do not provide PoE negotiation. The Flex 4 provides PoE negotiation, but it does not do so on pins 1, 2, 3, and 6, which are the data pairs for a 10/100 megabits per second connection. The Flex C, while passive, requires a brief negotiation from the end device to power up. While the EC4 does not negotiate power over Ethernet, it still provides power over all 4 pairs. Therefore, even with a terminated patch cable, it would still be providing power over Ethernet. The Flex C, while still a passive device, requires a brief negotiation from the end device to power up. Therefore, it is unable to provide a data-only connection. We cannot provide a data-only connection on the FlexLink and EC-Link Plus because they negotiate PoE. However, the PoE negotiation on these devices allow it to still connect to the device that will not or cannot accept PoE without the risk of damage. We also cannot provide data-only connections on the 1701 Plus as we negotiate power over all 4 pairs. However, as stated previously, PoE negotiation will allow it to connect to the device without being damaged. Thank you for watching the NVT Phybridge Data-Only Transmission tutorial video. All datasheets regarding these adapters can be found on our website at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been an informative look at our adapter's capabilities, and we hope you have a wonderful day.